Can we have a look at the engine first?
Sure. It's a 1JZ VVTi.
So that is the twin turbo.
Single turbo on this model.
Single turbo.
On the later model 1J motors, they run a single turbo setup. The earlier, like not pre-variable valve timing, run a smaller twin turbo setup.
Okay.
They run a funny little sort of setup from the factory. They've got what they call a J pipe that runs up from the turbo, and it's almost like a vacuum. It gives you additional vacuum through the intake, so when you're dropping the throttle, it doesn't stall.
Oh, good.
Yes. Yeah.
Well, this is one of the nicest chasers in New Zealand, maybe one of a kind. And I've only been driving in New Zealand for a day and a half, so you'll forgive me, viewers, if I do not leave this parking lot in a car this beautiful. Let's do this.
All right, let's go.
Even in the 90s, they love their pillarless doors. Now, this has a twin plate clutch.
Yes, however, a very nice twin plate clutch. It's not chattery. It does bite a little hard, but you'll find that it'll take a few little launches and you'll get it very easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't need. We're probably only going to get to 3 anyway. And like every 3 does 200 kilometers an hour.
You're kidding.
No kidding. No shit. So if you want to use a top of third, we'll be motoring.
Oh, that's grabby, but it's got low end. So the first thing I need to do is watch all these. Oh, I can't pull it. Interesting. It has no mist. It doesn't have a mist feature.
Oh, I didn't know that. My old one was different. This one must have it. Oh yeah, button on the side. Button on the side. There you go.
That's a wash. That's wash, but not mist. Now these potholes here would make Pennsylvania proud. This has American style power steering in that one wheel. Look at that.
Finger.
One finger.
Just like that.
Look at that.
It is a luxury Camry essentially, isn't it?
That's a good way when I asked for you to summarize a chaser, because it's unfamiliar to me, and right now they're really just pornography for young boys in America. What is this? It's a think of it as a Camry with rear-wheel drive and a super engine.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty accurate. The only difference is obviously a Supra is 3 litre, but it is 2.5 litre, so essentially similar to what a Sora would be. And this one's been quite tastefully modified. It's got HKS camshafts, so the camshafts have been upgraded. The turbocharger is also a HKS one as well. So
larger. There's just random
larger.
dog.
There we go.
Oh, there's a Mustang out there. Man, if only the road out there wasn't so.
If you reverse back, you could probably pull out on the main road and drive along there and come back in the other entrance if you really wanted to.
Okay.
So just.
And we're in Auckland, and people are getting off work. That one?
Yep.
Was I in second? Whoa!
Jump in the right lane if you can. She's a monster.
This is okay. It doesn't have a V8 pull, but there is a sensation of the $150,000 Supra, or Subaru. But come on, give me a gear. Okay, talk to me, Goose. What am I doing?
All right, we're going round the roundabout. So
what do I do? What do I do?
Indicate right, which is that one.
Oh, there's a stop.
Yep, you're good. Yep.
Oh,
you got it.
Okay, now what? I go.
Just go round. Yep, you're good.
And you have right away.
I have right away. Keep going.
Keep going.
Thanks for talking to me.
And then
left. There's the wipers.
You did a roundabout.
Oh shit, son.
You passed. You made it.
Internet content. What am I in, third?
You're in something. Probably fourth. Yeah, fourth.
Now what?
Okay, should we go back to the car park?
Yes.
You've had enough? Okay, you might want to start indicating right just shortly, or now.
All right.
And once you go around this roundabout, you'll go back into that car park that we started from originally.
Okay,
So,
it won't give me a second.
put the clutch in. Yep, there you go. Yep,
You're good.
Good. Don't freaking stall it. And now, when am I lefting?
Yep, just keep going,
Now?
Yep, you can left now, yep, and there you go. Done.
Knipsch.
Were they the two most stressful roundabouts of your life?
Mm-hmm.
Were they the 2 first roundabouts of your life?
We did a little bit earlier today, but there was no one around, and I had plenty of time to have a heart attack. Look how much the front window is fogging. Just from my... Come on, give me first.
Hang on, you got the clutch in?
Yeah, how much more can I...
Yep, there you go.
Oh, no, there was the pop. Oh, Christ. This is why we don't call audibles.
Would you like me to take you for a drive in it?
Oh, please don't kill me. Toyota Chasers are gonna make widows of people. I'm sure there are plenty of Chaser videos out there that are more cum-inducing than what can be done here on a wet road in the greater Auckland area. I'm just going to take a nice walk around the car and be thankful that I've had a chance to
do two roundabouts.
Do 2 roundabouts in a Chaser.
Not sideways.
Not sideways, and understand how violent these cars can be, and when they do hit American shores within, let's say, 7 years, the prices are going to definitely reflect that, and on some level, well deserved. Thank you, and thank you to AJ, and thank you to Phil.
You're most welcome, mate.
Thanks.
All good.